we begin with face massage. Let's do shoulder rotation. Keep your hands like this on your shoulder and rotate forward. If your shoulders are tense, then your face gets sagging. So, release your shoulder. Now backward. Now start with head massage. Massaging the head will help to relax and tighten the face muscles and prepare them for face massage. Gently massage your head with your fingertips all around the head, backward also. Always use an oil for face massage. Apply it on your face, neck too. Fingers also. Start at the forehead using these 3 fingers. Massage like this. At least 15-20 moves with gentle pressure. Like this. Three fingers, massage like this. Follow the Z line like this. At least 10-12 moves. Same the other side with these 3 fingers. Now, using this ring finger, gently press around the eyes. Pressing should be at the edge of the bone, like this. Repeat few times. 3 fingers. Move along the nasolabial folds and then follow in the upward move towards the temple. Like this. Do at least 9-10 moves. Now using your thumb and index finger, move along your jawline like this. At least 15-20 moves. This move helps to sharpen your jawline and target your double chin. Other side. To finish off, warm up the lymph point near the ear and push the lymph tissue down towards the collarbone.
You can do this massage daily. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Thanks for watching.